Did you know that the crypto top 10 has a new member? Toncoin just recently surpassed Solana to become the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. However, it's still a project that many members of the crypto community don't know much about. In this video, we will explain exactly what Toncoin is and how it's related to the Telegram app. We'll also highlight Toncoin's most important upcoming features and roadmap goals so you know exactly what to watch out for in the future. The Ton blockchain is a Layer 1 blockchain that uses Toncoin as its native asset. Toncoin has the ticker TON, and besides its use as a digital asset that can be cheaply transferred between users, it also functions as the gas token for paying transaction costs. The Ton blockchain offers very cheap transactions, as the average transaction only costs about 0.005 TON. This is a little over 1 cent at current prices. This is all fairly standard, but Toncoin becomes very interesting when we consider its connection to Telegram, a messaging service that boasts around 700 million monthly active users. In January of 2018, Telegram announced their plans to launch a blockchain platform called the Telegram Open Network. This ambitious project aimed to create a blockchain that was fast and efficient enough to be used by Telegram's massive user base. The token of this blockchain was supposed to be called Gram, and Telegram began selling Gram tokens to accredited investors via private sales in order to fund development. Accredited investors showed extreme amounts of interest for Telegram's blockchain project. After all, it seemed like an amazing opportunity to directly introduce blockchain technology to hundreds of millions of users for the first time ever. In the second biggest token sale of all time, Telegram managed to raise a whopping $1.7 billion. However, things turned sour when US securities regulator SEC began cracking down on the project. After more than 18 months of communication, Telegram and the SEC failed to reach common ground. In October of 2019, the SEC filed an emergency action to prevent Telegram from distributing grams to investors who purchased rights to the tokens. In May of 2020, Telegram CEO Pavel Durov announced that Telegram would abandon the Telegram Open Network, and the project offered to refund investors where possible. While Telegram was forced to abandon their blockchain plans, some community members saw potential in Telegram's vision and decided to continue it. The beginnings of the Ton blockchain project as we know it today can be traced back to 2020, when developers Anatoly Makasov and Kirill Emelianenko decided to continue development of the platform that Telegram originally created. Over time, more people decided to join the project, and eventually the Ton Foundation was established as a key organization spearheading the Ton blockchain's development. Currently, there are just over 5 billion Toncoins in circulation, and the supply has a 0.6% annual inflation rate. The reason why Toncoin implements a modest degree of inflation is to ensure that validators will always have enough of an incentive to participate in securing the network. The Ton blockchain can of course be used to launch decentralized application. The platform supports smart contracts using the FunC programming language and the Ton virtual machine, or TVM. Developers can use the Blueprint framework to write, test and deploy smart contracts on the Ton blockchain. The chain uses proof of stake, and users can choose to run their own validator or stake their Toncoins through validator pools. Most people will have to use validator pools for staking, as launching your own validator requires 300,000 TON, which is more than $600,000 at current prices. Despite the Ton blockchain using proof-of-stake consensus, users were able to actually mine Toncoins between June 2020 and June 2022. This was the Ton blockchain's approach to ensure a fair initial distribution of Toncoin. One of the biggest goals of the Ton blockchain is to create integrations with the Telegram Messenger to give users easy access to the benefits of Web3. The project has taken some very concrete steps in this direction. The Fragment marketplace can be used to buy and sell T.me usernames, which are used by Telegram. Toncoins can also be used to purchase Telegram premium subscriptions. The most exciting part is that Telegram itself is now working with the Ton Foundation to integrate and promote Toncoin's Web3 ecosystem. Users who have installed the Toncoin wallet in Telegram can access it directly from Telegram's menu, and the Ton Foundation aims to bring 30% of Telegram's user base to the Ton blockchain by 2028. While Toncoin has already displayed significant growth, the Toncoin price prediction on Coin Codex suggests that it will continue to grow in the coming years. According to the prediction, we could see the Toncoin price peak at just under $13 in the first quarter of 2029. Do you think that Ton blockchain will successfully bring hundreds of millions of people to the Web3 ecosystem, or do you think other projects have a better chance at adoption? Make sure to let us know in the comments below. Best of luck in your crypto journey.